Good day everybody, welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. In this video, I will be doing a quick roundup of Reggae Girlz summer transfer activity. We already did a video for the Reggae boys and the Jamaican male football players. Now we'll be doing a summer transfer roundup for our female Jamaican players. Let's begin. The first player we'll start with is Tierney Wiltshire. After having a fantastic World Cup with solid performances throughout, Tierney Wiltshire did not put a foot wrong in that tournament. So it's not surprising that the Reggae Girlz right back has landed a big move to a big club. She has made a transfer to Stade de Reims Feminines, which plays in the Division 1 Feminine, the top tier in France, which is one of the biggest leagues in the world. She was previously at the Houston Dash in America's top tier. Real Betis were lucky enough to land Tiffany Cameron before the World Cup, and if they did not fully realize the quality of player they were getting, they certainly found out during the tournament, after she became the player Brazil had no answer for after her excellent substitute appearance versus the South American Giants. She is moving to the Spanish first tier from the Hungarian first tier, where she enjoyed much success, winning the Hungarian Cup 3 times in a row, the league title with Ferencváros, and Player of the Year awards. She is making the switch from Hungarian team Eto Győr FC. Ex-Glasgow Rangers goal machine Kayla McKenna, formerly Kayla McCoy, ended a very successful stint in Scotland, which saw her win the Scottish League title and bang in 30 goals across 2 seasons. She also scored in the UEFA Women's Champions League as well. She has signed a 1-year contract with Spanish first-tier club Villarreal. Ex-Reggae Girlz captain Kanya Plummer has signed for big Mexican club Tigres UANL Femenil. Tigres is one of 4 clubs that has won the Liga MX Femenil and has won the Mexican first tier a record 5 times, making it the most successful women's club team in Mexico. They currently sit atop the league standings after 11 games. The Liga MX Femenil is a league that is growing very quickly and even features players like recent Spain World Cup winner and Kissgate victim Jenny Hermoso. Trudy Carter has joined her national teammates Plummer and Blackwood in Mexico, as she has signed for First Division club Atlético San Luis. She played for Levante Las Planas last season in Spain's First Division. Trudy has immediately become an important piece for her new club, having already played 3 games and 186 minutes of game time. Reggae Girlz attacking midfielder Atlanta Primus was the first World Cup Reggae girl to make a move after the World Cup. She signed for FA Women's Championship club Southampton FC Women. The championship is the second tier of the women's pyramid. Last season, she played for fellow championship club London City Lionesses, whom she barely missed promotion with. Speaking of promotion, she has stated that to be her main objective with her new club. She scored on her Southampton debut in a 4-1 victory over Reading. Denisha Blackwood has switched to Europe for CONCACAF and has signed for club Universidad Nacional Femenil, also known as Pumas UNAM. She is the 3rd Reggae girl on the list to make a move to the Mexican first tier. She earned this move following a good showing at the recent FIFA Women's World Cup, in which she copped a Player of the Match award for a stellar performance versus European giants France. Last season, she was at French 2nd Division club GPSO 92. Satara Murray has returned to former club Bristol City. When she last played for the club, they were a 2nd-tier team. However, having gained promotion after a successful campaign last season, Bristol is now an English first-tier WSL club. Last season, she was at Racing Louisville in the American first tier, an experience which she credited for making her a better player. My Reggae Girl Player of the World Cup, Alison Swaby, has made a huge move to one of the biggest clubs in the world, AC Milan. The former AS Roma player has returned to Italy from America on a 3-year contract. Having already won silverware in Italy with a Coppa Italia victory in 2021 for AS Roma, she will be looking to attain further glory. She was previously at American first-tier club Angel City FC. Reggae Girlz CDM/defender Vian Samson was yet another reggae girl who had a good summer with solid performances at the World Cup, and she has been rewarded with a move to the top-tier league of the 2011 World Champions Japan. Swapping Europe for Asia, she is moving from Scottish first-tier club Hearts of Midlothian to Japan top-tier team Jeff United Ladies. And lastly, young talented winger Sade Adamalekon has now gone pro. She has made a move to Scottish first-tier club Hearts of Midlothian from American college team the University of Southern California. She has signed a 1-year contract with the option for a further year. She has already got her first goal for Hearts in a 6-1 thumping of Partick Thistle, where she beat 2 players before dinking the keeper with her weaker foot. When speaking on the signing, her manager bragged about the wealth of experience she possesses for such a young player. And that's it for the Reggae Girlz Summer Transfer Roundup. I am wishing all our Reggae Girls who recently made transfers all the best for their new clubs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Knock up the likes button, ladies and gentlemen, subscribe to the channel and share the video as well. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.